Here's the app called StepsApp Pedometer, one of the most popular pedometers apps out there. As you can see, it has over than 200,000 ratings. It's also the world's largest walk-in community. StepsApp turns your iPhone into a sleek, powerful step counter. No extra devices needed. Just slip your phone into your pocket and get moving. So there is iPhone app, Apple Watch app, iMessage. It's super advanced app, automatic step counting, stunning charts and animations, workouts with map tracking, heart rate zones and insights, Apple Health integration, Apple Watch support, workouts with GPS tracking, active calories, insights, trends, total records, powerful day, week and months views, award with 3D medals, iOS 14 widgets, dark and light mode, 6 beautiful colors, also change the app icon, iMessage app, today widget, more daily goals and notifications, social media sharing, wheelchair support, export data. So this is the app, quite nice and cool app which you can just try, and super easy just to go in and create your account. So you can just go and sign in with Apple. So yeah, that's basically the idea. That's your account. You can subscribe to newsletter or not. There's a sensor where you just can give access to your data to track the steps. And then here you have all your, set your daily goal. You can enable notifications, can add more friends, and then 7-day free trial, 12 months for $30. And then yeah, here you just have it like that. So here is StepsApp, and then this is just tracking your steps, and then it will just import data. Obviously you need to have some kind of tracking devices, or Apple Watch, Fitbit, or just have your phone with you all the time. And then you just have your steps. You can have steps in a week, you can have steps in a month. You can see all the data imported. You can see average steps per month. You can see your activity. You can see workouts. You can track workouts. You can see goals in here. You can see again steps, activity, and then there is some nice cool analytics. So which is comparing like usually how much you're tracking per which hour of the day. You can also select to track steps like calories, distance, duration, floors. And then you just have it like that. And then here you have settings where you have, and then your account. And then yeah, you just have it like that. And yeah, super easy to connect all other devices, and then you can just see it like that. Then there is all this gamification where you can see, you can get all of these rewards, and you can see all the rewards in progress. So that's the app. Try it out.